seems that you're stuck because you're not getting the growth that you deserve? What if I told you that there are powerful tools that you could use, that even top creators are using to level up their content creation and take their content creation to the next level? In this video, I'm going to share you free websites that you could use to level up your content creation. This website will help you create better videos, boost your views, and of course grow your channel. If this seems like what you want to listen to, do well to stick to this channel. Hi everyone, my name is Gloria Pearl and you're welcome to my space. Here we talk about YouTube growth and YouTube monetization and basically anything that will help you monetize and grow your channel. Without no further ado, let's dive in. The number one here on our list is thumbnailpreview.com. Yes, as we all know that the critical part of content creation is getting that first click, like the fact that you create a video and people are able to click on your video, and this is because you must have done an outstanding thumbnail for them to be able to click your video at one time, like the moment it's posted on the YouTube homepage. And this is where thumbnailpreview.com comes in, because it helps to test and ascertain how clickable your videos is going to be. So all you basically need to do is take your thumbnail that you've already designed, upload it on thumbnailpreview.com, then give it some few seconds. It generates an answer for you, showing you a possible number of views that you could get if actually you go ahead to use that thumbnail. Now, by the time it has generated its answer for you and you feel it's not really appeasing to you, maybe the number of views it displayed to you isn't too good, you can go ahead back to your designer app, like where you must have designed your thumbnail, go ahead and tweak it and modify it to the best way that it suits you. The moment you feel comfortable that this is okay, then you can go ahead to upload it. Note, when designing your thumbnail, you need to put your audience into consideration, as it is important to note that it is what is appeasing in their eyes that will enable them click your video. Another reason why thumbnailpreview.com is very important, because it helps preview what your thumbnail will look like across all devices. That is your tablet, the PC, laptop, or phone, wherever your audience may be watching from. Now, the number two on our list is YouTube Comment Finder. What this basically helps you do, it helps you track down what people are mostly talking about on comment section on YouTube. Now, all you need to do is type in a particular word or keyword in your niche, and it shows you what is trending in that particular niche. Take, for example, you type in health and wellness, and it brings out everything people are basically talking about, and this will help you narrow down the next content topic you are to work with. Moving on to number three, we have rapid tags. Yes, there's been some argument about the fact that the tags column in the YouTube Studio dashboard may not really be of essence. But well, in my own opinion, I feel for the fact that that box is still made available, I feel it has some sort of relevance and optimization features that it will do for you by the time you make use of it. So using rapid tags, all you need to do is input your video title, and the moment you do that, you just click the go ahead button. The next thing it does is generates tags that are relevant and resonate with your video title. You know, these keywords are likely keywords that your audience may type on YouTube and in order to look for your video, in order to search for your video. So this is what rapid tags does. So you just need to put in the video title and voila, it generates the whole tags for you. So pick the one that best suits you, pick some of them, post it there on your YouTube dashboard, and go ahead to upload. So the number four one we have here on our list is Canva. Like, a lot of people use Canva, and it can be used for thumbnails, banners, or even any social media post entirely you want to do. Now, the beautiful thing about using Canva is that it has a lot of templates that you could use. So even if you have zero experience in graphic designing, I bet you don't need to worry about anything at all. All you need to do is go to Canva, type in the kind of design you want, like probably you want to do a YouTube banner. You just type in YouTube banner, it generates a lot of templates for you. So all you need to do is drag, drop, and customize to what fits you, then go ahead to post. It's easy peasy, it's free. However, there are some pro versions in Canva, but I bet you that anything you want to do on a basic need is readily available for you in the free version. So if you've been listening to me to this point, I feel you should go and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like, what are you doing? Should I wait? All right. So subscribe and let's continue. Now, moving on to number 5, we have remove background. In Canva, like I already told you, we have some pro features there, and removing background of your images happens to fall under the pro version. This is where remove background websites come in place to help you. So all you need to do is go to Google, type in remove background, upload your image, and watch it do its magic in few seconds. Then download and head on to Canva and go ahead with your design, thumbnail, banner, or whatsoever thing you're actually designing. And that's it. Moving on to number 6, which is a game changer, like a solid game changer. Like if you use this website, just go ahead and sleep. Like it will just do the whole work for you. I use it. You should use it. Top content creators on this space use it, and which is the almighty ChatGPT. Like, who doesn't use it? Whether you need help with writing video scripts, creating titles, or create video descriptions, or even writing your whole YouTube strategy guide for you, ChatGPT is there to act as your virtual assistant. Like, what else could you need, basically? So if you're not using ChatGPT, hop on it immediately and use it. Now, all you need to do for you to use ChatGPT efficiently is to create a prompt. A prompt is very important because this is an AI. It needs to know what you want. So create a prompt and drop it there and watch it create a structured and time-saving response that will take your content creation to the next level. Now, the next on our list is the Adobe Podcast Enhanced Speech. This takes away all the rough, noisy, and echo-filled background noise that you have in your audio. You know very well that you cannot afford to create a very good video that the visuals are very perfect, but your audio sounds like I don't know what to call it. So this is why you need the Adobe Podcast Enhanced Speech to ensure that your audio is very crisp, clear, and sounds professional, like you actually recorded it in a professional studio. So all you need to do to use this is head on to the Adobe Podcast Enhanced Speech website, click on it, upload your file that you want to generate an enhanced speech for you. The moment it's uploaded, give it a maximum of 30 minutes to do its magic. However, note that your file should not be more than 500 MB so that it will be able to upload very well.
Now, having shared all these wonderful websites with you, you see that they are game changers. Try to implement them in your content creation so you can level up your game. Now, tell me, which of these tools have you been using? Which of these tools are you aware of, but you are not actually putting into use? Which of them are you going to be giving a try, having heard from me now? Now, do well to write in the comment section and let me know if there is any other free website that you know of and you want me to check around it. Do well to put it down in the comment section so that I can make deep research about it. Till we meet next time, please continue to create and continue to be confident wherever you are.